Alright everyone, so now I want to do a little animation for when the wizard takes damage. So I want him to, if we go to costumes and go down to ouch, I want him to change color, and I want his hat to leap off his head and then just come back down to land again. So just ouch 1 and ouch 2 whenever he's bitten by the ghost. So to do this, we go to code and we're going to go to the pink blocks, make a block, animate ouch. Okay. And then it's going to be very straightforward. Well, at least to begin with. There may be some problems. We're going to switch the costume to ouch 1. And then switch the costume to ouch 2. Now this is only to define the process. It doesn't tell you when it should happen. So we need to go down to where the wizard takes damage. So check for damage, take damage. Here we are, take damage. And go to the pink blocks. And then we've got a new block called animate ouch. And we're just going to put that in here. So what happens is when the wizard takes damage, well, what does that mean? It means if he's touching the ghost and the ghost is visible, then change his health by -1 and do a little ouch dance as well. Alright, let's see if this works. So here we are. There's the ghost. I'm going to go up to him and get bitten. And so he kind of freezes in that position. You'll also notice he went through the first, you're only seeing one part of the animation, you're only seeing one frame. So I don't like that. I don't like the fact that he stays in that frame and waits. And his health has gone down to -10. But he's not dead. So there's a bunch of things going wrong here. We're going to have to figure out what they are. So the first thing is, why is it only showing one frame? Well, this is a problem that we've seen before. Can you pause the video and guess what it is? Or you could maybe look at some of these others and ask what's different about them, these other animation sequences. Well, you might notice that these include wait sequences, and this doesn't. They include wait instructions, I should say, and this doesn't. So what's happening is it's going through these two costumes so fast that you're not seeing the first costume. So we can easily get rid of that with a wait. And we just put it in between like that. Maybe 0.2. And then it's hanging in this at the end. So what's the problem there? Well, it's because there's no further, it's not telling, our list of instructions doesn't tell it to go back to normal. So what we want is we want to add another wait. And then we want an instruction that says go back to your regular pose. So looks, switch costume to the normal costume, which is what 1. Now, we still have this problem with the health going into the minuses, but let's do a little test. Okay, that seems better. And now the wizard dies. But look! The ghost wakes him up again. So what's going on there is it's going through the death animation. But then it's been told that whenever the ghost bites the wizard, he should go through the ouch animation. And so it's as if the ghost is kind of disturbing the wizard from his death by biting him again. And the program just says, okay, well, I have to show an animation for that. So I think we'll do that in the next video. In the next video, we will fix that problem so that the ghost stops haranguing the wizard after he dies, and the wizard refuses to get up. In fact, we probably need 2 videos to take care of both of those problems. So I'll see you then. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.